Audi debuted its hot new RS7 Sportback with a whopping 591 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. It's the most powerful standard RS7 Sportback to date until the inevitable performance package arrives. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged hybridized 4.0-liter V8. The 48-volt electrical system on the new RS7 Sportback is the same one you'll find on its sibling, the RS6 Avant. Here it produces significant more power, giving the RS7 a seriously quick 62 mph sprint of 3.6 seconds and an electronically limited top speed of 155 mph. With the dynamic and dynamic plus packages, that top speed figure increases to 174 mph, 174 and 189.5 mph.